Proverbs 31 woman, shining bright like the sun, full of power, purpose, passion. Her journey's just begun, with wisdom on her lips and strength in her soul. She's a beacon of God's love, making broken hearts whole. She speaks with wisdom, her words calm the storm. Faithful instruction, her voice keeps us warm. She's quick to encourage, to help others grow. A fountain of knowledge, her heart's overflow. Fearless and courageous, she walks in the light, trusting in God with all of her might. She's a Proverbs 31